Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 311 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Inner Glow, a moment to reconnect with your quiet light within. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Feel your breath settling like gentle warmth spreading through your body. It begins at your center, calm, steady, alive. You don't have to search for peace. It's already here, quietly shining inside you. Let each breath brighten that inner space. This light is your calm, your kindness, your clarity. It doesn't demand attention, it simply glows. Now, say to yourself, I am calm and centered. My light is steady and strong, and I radiate peace from within. Allow this quiet glow to fill your body and mind, softening your thoughts, easing your heart, and reminding you of your strength in stillness. When you're ready, take one more deep breath and carry this inner warmth with you through the day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.